Alright, new video, first video actually. Gonna be playing a casual. And we're going into a freaking ongoing match on plane. Freaking hate freaking ongoing matches. Ah! So at least it's only round one. These things are slow to load too. Whoa, holy frig, what was that? Yeah, he's lost.
Op 4 secured the biohazard container.
Or Papa. I don't know who should I go back. Jackal, Maverick, Lies, and Blitz. Wow, okay.
Locate the biohazard container. Good work. The biohazard container has been located.
I'll be posting videos every other week. So I'll probably make like 3 this weekend and then some more the following week.
Insertion in 10 seconds. 5 seconds.
When Legion is AFK, isn't that just
Biohazard container located.
nice?
Proceed to its location.
It's like open or something. Thought Jackal's gonna run in. Go in. Or what you scared of? Oh, freak! I can pee my pants. Holy freak. Is there pressure on that? What the heck?
4 remaining.
I don't know what he was even gonna try and do there. That man's plaid as well. 1.0 KD. Bro, I'm sitting here, gold 2, 1.3 KD. Man. The way some of these players have their lower KDs and like much higher ranks. Ugh. Whatever. Bandit. Shadow Bandit. Or Mozzie. I was just about to throw Ella. Whatever. Little bandit. Yeah. Man, get smoked.
Barricade the room. We need to protect the biohazard container.
Honestly, I don't care about placing my bandits, so whatever.
Activating camera.
Op 4 located the biohazard container.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Yeah, that's not very good, but whatever.
10 seconds. 5 seconds and counting.
See if they spawned over here, hoping that they did.
Op 4 drone has located the biohazard container.
They did. Monty. Okay, more than just Monty.
Secure the wall!
Nitro set. Nitro dead.
What the? That just makes me mad. Whatever. Bronze 1 Ash means.
C4 deployed.
Beauty's in place. Nest in position.
Nitro cell set.
Okay. Oh, I don't like this fountain.
They ceased attempting to secure the container.
There's a lot of his shield.
Swapping. Keep going.
Stop the hostiles from securing the container.
Bullying Montanes are so fun. I don't know why. And they better win this.
Friendly's victorious. Hostiles eliminated.
It's not fun. Whatever. Oh, my dog just took a fat dump downstairs. Oh, freak, I can smell it. Oh, that's disgusting. Freak, now I gotta clean it up. I'm the only one home. I'll stain it. Freaking Duty Dado. I'll put a different camo on this. Do I have time? There you go. I want to down someone and sledge them.
Find the biohazard container location. done. Biohazard container located.
Just trying to see if Leech would shoot the dog.
10 seconds. 5 seconds to insertion. Biohazard container located. Proceed to its location.
I think I'm just gonna rush him from up here. Hope there's not up here though. I'll make sure there's no one up here. Be nice if they added leaning while like hip firing or whatever. Leaning without aiming to console. That'd be pretty nice. Mission successful.
Torches out.
Okay. Hammer don't like me. Great. Thought I would have hit Ash.
One friendly operator remaining. One op 4 remaining. Secure the container. Hostile activity resumes.
Freaking shooting through the bed.
Neutralized. We have been
I'm
eliminated.
gonna wait for them to just run around. Wow, okay. I don't care, I got that sledgehammer kill. That's all I care about.